Hello friends, in this video I will show how to insert a formula in Microsoft Word document. So firstly click on insert and if you see some features are grayed out, now here click on equation. You can select a simple equation and formula. You can change and edit from here. Like this. So this is the way guys you can insert formula and there are some more options. Insert equation and in this list you will see some more like plus minus. So this is the simple way to insert formula in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.